Good afternoon or good evening. Welcome to the channel. I'm Hits, and today this video is something I've been working on for a while. I get compliments all the time that the setup is really nice, so nice in fact that I won this from Notion. It's a blanket for like one of the coziest spaces. They did like a whole Twitter thing and you submit your space and they sent me a blanket for it. So if that shouldn't give me the confidence to make a video like this, I don't know what is. I've been watching a lot of studio tours and stuff. Man, this is practically a studio for the most part. It's where I get all of my work done from my day-to-day job to the content creation that I've been trying to do for a year. I want to make a video. I want to showcase my nice space and what I'm working into for 2024. So let's go. Alright, as you walk in, you'll notice I'm going for a greenhouse inspired atmosphere. These shelves definitely need to be reorganized. We got some hanging pothos, and then of course, the snack cart. Now this first little section is really just miscellaneous art supplies. I have my goal board. I think it's important to visualize your goals. And then I have some Digimon cards and some frames for some manga collages I'm building. Now, moving on to the heart of my creative space. This is my PC setup. I've been working on this for years and I just love what I've been able to put together. I've created this space to naturally boost my mood. It's one where I feel really calm and grounded in, and this is where I spend most of my time. We got the custom keyboard, NK65 Super User, the Sony A6000 used for streaming and just recording, custom PC, North Fractal case, and a work-issued Mac. My Switch, and you guessed it, our Captain Monkey D. Luffy. Got an assortment of keyboards that I built, and a softbox that I know moves throughout the video. If you would have told me in 2022 that I'd be writing as much as I do today, I wouldn't have believed you. But the Remarkable 2 plus morning pages has become one of my favorite daily habits. Last but not least, we got my cozy corner where I really do just be chilling. It's got a solid amount of my plant collections, some propagations, and where I like to organize my cards and kind of test decks. The evening vibes are pretty nice too. My favorite feature, this live vine wall. I got this in 2020 and I've just been letting it grow. So that's my creative studio. Green, vibrant, and full of life. I hope you enjoyed this tour and got some inspiration for your own space. If you like what you saw and you'd like to see more creative content like this in the future, I'd really appreciate it if you showed your support. You know, hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.